Vertical accuracy is the principal factor in specifying the quality of digital elevation data. Many different applications require the use of elevation data with high vertical accuracy, including infrastructure management, floodplain management, sensitive ecological area management, and engineering applications. There are other aspects of data quality that impact data usability, and it is very important that analysts are aware of these potential issues. Aside from vertical accuracy, data integrity, and internal consistencies are also qualities of Lidar data that impact their effectiveness when used for mapping and analysis. Independent assessments are often conducted to evaluate data quality and include both quantitative and qualitative reviews. Metadata records and quality assurance reports are good sources of this information and should be used when available.